Hey guys, what is up? It is Thunder over here, and welcome to another video. As you can see, you might wonder why there's this big TNT line here. Well, this is because this is my own map called Exploding TNT Run. You can see by the name on the top right corner, it says it, Exploding TNT Run. I did the slash game rule command block output to false and TNT explodes off so that I don't mess up. But anyways, let's put it on now. Slash game rule TNT explode TNT. Actually, I'll do it like this. TNT explodes like this. True. And boom! Look at that. TNT explodes. Okay, anyways, let's go to game mode, survival. And guys, actually, before we do that, let's go to game mode C. I will get myself some netherite armor. It's not cheating though, so it's just to stay protected, guys. Just to stay protected from COVID-19. I gotta make sure, so. Anyways, I feel like we're ready to go. So slash game rule. Why do I say game rule? I mean game mode. S. Okay. Are you guys ready? We go in 3, 2, 1, go. Flip! We're damaged. This is the baddest idea I've ever. Dude. Oh, we're so trapped. We're dead. We are so dead. I so messed up. Dude, we're dead. We're dead. We're seriously dead. We're 2.5 hearts. Yeah, we're dead. You guys just saw that, guys. We burned to death.
I appreciate it. I'm glad that they appreciate my
Jeez.
and what I put out. So I was like, whoa, shocked.
Isang millennial na naghahayag ng salo-open si Michael sa kanyang musika.
Oh my goodness. I tried to run. I think that's a bad idea. To be serious right now, let's create a new world. I am going to I'm going to show you how to make it, and we're going to play it. So I feel like that's a bad idea. I think what we should do is to make a new world in a random seed and find a plains biome, of course. Find something that's just flat, except a flat world type, because I hate that. Because it's just like literally 3 blocks deep, and I don't want that, right, guys? Anyways, let's world in the world. Why am I saying like that? Actually, I should put a chest in here. So, in that chest. I thought I was going to be in survival for a second. Anyways, is this an island or not? Is this an island? Yes, it is. We spawned in an island. Are you serious? I mean, at least it has trees. So let's TP ourselves to 0, 100, and 10,000. Now, speaking of the Z coordinate on 10,000, go ahead and watch that video where we flew 20,000 blocks, which it was great. I had a great travel there. I just literally watched TV that whole time there, and because 13 Action News was live at that time, so yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this TNT line out. So slash fill -63 68. Okay. And okay, so I need to add, no, I have to subtract. So 63 minus 5. So 63 minus 5, 13. Okay, 13 minus 5 is 8. Okay, so that's 58. -58. Then the Y level will be 71. And I think I'll do this. Okay, with TNT, and here we have it. 2,000 blocks have been filled. So these are the first ones here. Anyways, first, let's now go ahead and get, let's give ourselves a command block. Oh, flip. Okay. We'll put this command block over here, so you put it down there, and then slash effect at P, just okay, actually speed, and then you have to do the how many seconds you want to how long the speed would be. First I'll just do a random number like this, and then I'll do speed 15. So I hope that works, because like, let me test it out first. So grass and milk, just in case if it does work, and a pressure plate. Alright guys, let's put this thing down and place it. What the? Oh, 777 isn't that's just a random number. It's not a valid number, so maybe do it this many seconds and then speed 15. Okay, it works. Let's go. Okay, so slash clear our inventory, just like that, and slash yes, slash game rule TNT X what the flip explodes false, dude. Just look what it that. I just did that, guys. I just did that. Anyways, now let's give ourselves some TNT. And why did I do that? I should have went to my inventory. I mean, like, it pushed me, so actually, let's do this. Let's get a block of diamond. I don't care which block it is, diamond. I a bit hate diamond now. I now like netherite. Netherite is now the strongest armor in Minecraft, and when you get one of those pieces of netherite, you sheep, you did that to me, you sheep, you annoying sheep, I hate you. Oh my goodness, I think it's that llama that did it. He literally made me do that. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that happened. I'm going to need milk. Can't believe that. So now I'll get pressure plates. Boom. Okay. So we'll just do this. We'll have just a nice platform here. Nice platform. And then when we want to start, we'll put this here. And then there will be a staircase. So let's make a staircase here. Just like that. And then, because like, since it's not going to take that long, so anyways, it's just a slash fill command. I just literally ran over this thing. It should, oh my goodness, but then we'll literally have to go this way if I'm correct. Yeah, we do. We have to go this way if we don't want ocean. So I guess over there will be the end. And like, let's get rid of this command block here. Let's just bring this thing. Just some grass. So if I am correct, it should get us. So let's make sure. Let's empty out these blocks. Okay guys, this is what we're doing. I'm going to do this, guys. I'm going to move up my Z coordinates, and it should bring us this way. So I think this is south. This should be south, right? You know what? I'll just put grass here. Why not? Okay, let's fill this up. Slash fill. Negative 60, 68. This. And negative 105, 71, and one. So 15 with TNT, and boom, 1024 blocks filled. So, oh wait, that is a smart idea, guys. How about we just, this is like, oh, I haven't did this before. I'm going to do this actually, guys. We're going to make an L-shaped thing. I forgot we do need a TNT to place the block back. And fill this back too, because dude, that is a smart idea. I have never think of this before, guys. We would just make an L-shaped line. Now look at that. Look at that. It's L. Look at that. It's an L. I can't believe I did that. That's amazing. Boom. Okay, let's do that, guys. Let's do that. We'll make an L-shaped TNT line. I mean, like, I know it could go this way. I did everything wrong. It should. I was wrong though, but it will go this way soon enough. But let's just keep going. Anyways, slash fill. Negative 106, 69, 10,012 with negative 200, 71, and 10,017 with TNT, and boom, 1,017, 1,710 blocks filled, and yes, this will happen, but it doesn't matter though, because there will be a way here. Oh, that's a lot of seeds, and it's also going through here. So hopefully that's not where it ends. Let's go ahead and get our a torch for that. So I mean, like, why not? This is so many blocks, guys. I feel like I'm going to blow up this. I think we're going to get a lag, guys. We're going to get the lag. Flip. Okay. Okay, ends there.
Who you talking to?
I'm recording.
What?
I'm recording. Okay, anyways, guys, sorry about that. Okay, TNT run. So I feel like we'll end it here. Oh wait, there's a village nearby. Wow, that's like, holy, that's a big village there, guys. Look at that. That's like 1,000 blocks wide. That's the longest village I've ever seen. Oh my goodness, I think that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 houses. Dude, that's a lot. 20, 21. I think that's like, yeah, I think it's 19 houses. That's, hello villagers. You have a great place here.
Examples of what you're talking about. And
Oh, okay. That's red terracotta. Dude, I can't believe that. There was actually a village nearby. Actually, this is going to be the end of that TNT run, so. Yeah, guys, so we're also going to give ourselves some netherite armor, of course. So
to track a lot of lawsuits,
Yeah.
legal challenges over the next 80 days. Jackie DeSantis, Caitlin Collins.
Let's get down a flip slash give at s command underscore block and boom. I'll put it here. So put down.
This is what it's like wearing regular shoes. No all-around support. And this is what it's like in Skechers' new Arch Fit.
Okay, maybe here.
Comfort and support you need. It's
Okay.
good not support. Try Skechers Arch
Slash effect at p speed 777 with speed 15, and then we'll place the pressure plate down and we have speed. Okay, let's drink milk. Okay, now we could just put all this nonsense stuff away. Why did I say nonsense? That's not really nonsense. They're just the blocks we need, guys. Anyways, let's put on this netherite armor and we're good to go. Yes, let's put down the pressure plates. Ew. Okay, guys. What am I doing? Oh my goodness. I just literally typed down P in the starter box. I literally typed in P. Like, where are you peeing in the bathroom? Please. Anyways, I feel like we're ready to go. So slash game mode S and slash game rule TNT explodes into true. And are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1, go. I'm dead. I am dead, guys. I'm so dead. I'm dead. Guys, look at me. I'm just trying to run. Let's run to a different angle, guys. TNT run is definitely really bad to me. Oh, we're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're so dead. Yeah, we just saw that, guys. We died from that. You could see the TNT is actually exploding a lot there. Look at that. Our armor exploded too, so I think netherite armor isn't that enough. You could just see the lag. Oh my. Oh, I forgot that. Slash game mode C. That is the worst idea. Let's TP ourselves. Slash TP at S to 0. Actually no. 100 and I'm going to see the damage, guys. Oh my goodness, it's actually still going. Oh, that's a lot of glitched TNTs, guys. Look at the damage it did while we were running. I feel like L-shaped TNT runs are actually pretty bad. I better practice because I'm not good at it. Oh my goodness, now it's like an L-shaped destruction everywhere. Wait, did it destroy the village? That's our question.
This new way of working doesn't work without you.
Oh my goodness, I could just see a lot. Oh my god, our diamonds, dude, our diamonds.
Keep adapting.
Well, the command block is still there though, so that's pretty good. I mean, like, I think it did. Wait, why are there so many glitched TNTs in the water? Yeah, they're just being thrown into the water. Are there some here too?
And you only have one chance to get it right.
No glitched TNTs here so far. Wait, is that a black hole? No, it isn't. It pranked me. Wait. Then what the flip is that? An end portal? Dude, I think it's... What the flip? This is a glitched water pool. Ah, sinking in the water. Guys, that is going to be the end of the video. Hope you subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching. Boy! Thanks for watching. Bye.